In the rapidly evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, a new name is making waves: DeepSeek AI. Emerging from the competitive tech scene, DeepSeek AI has quickly garnered attention for its innovative approach and impressive performance across various AI benchmarks. This video explores what DeepSeek AI is, its key features, and why it's becoming a significant player in the world of intelligent systems. What is DeepSeek AI? DeepSeek AI is an artificial intelligence company focused on developing cutting-edge foundational models and AI applications. While relatively new compared to established giants, DeepSeek AI has made remarkable strides, particularly in the realm of large language models, LLMs, and multimodal AI. Their core philosophy centers around creating powerful yet efficient AI that can tackle complex tasks with remarkable speed and accuracy. DeepSeek AI's models are designed to be versatile, capable of understanding and generating human-like text, code, and potentially other modalities in the future. The key features of DeepSeek AI. DeepSeek AI's impact stems from several key features that distinguish its models. Exceptional performance. DeepSeek AI's language models have demonstrated top-tier performance on various industry benchmarks, often rivaling or even surpassing models from more established players. This high level of accuracy and understanding makes them powerful tools for a wide range of applications. Focus on efficiency. Beyond raw power, DeepSeek AI places a strong emphasis on the efficiency of its models. This means their models can often achieve comparable performance with fewer computational resources, leading to faster inference times and lower operational costs. This efficiency is crucial for real-world deployment and scalability. Strong code generation capabilities. DeepSeek AI has shown particular strength in code generation. Their models are adept at understanding programming languages, generating code snippets, and even assisting with complex coding tasks. This makes them valuable assets for developers and the broader tech industry. Multimodal potential. While currently known primarily for its language models, DeepSeek AI is actively exploring and developing multimodal capabilities. This suggests a future where their AI can seamlessly process and understand various types of data, including images, audio, and video, opening up even more diverse applications. Commitment to openness and collaboration. DeepSeek AI has shown a willingness to engage with the open-source community and share its advancements. This collaborative approach fosters innovation and allows for wider adoption and feedback on their technologies. Versions and availability. As a relatively young company, the specific versions and public availability of DeepSeek AI's models are still evolving. Currently, their language models are accessible through their own platform and APIs, catering primarily to developers and businesses. While a direct consumer-facing product might not be the primary focus yet, the underlying technology has the potential to be integrated into various applications and services that everyday users interact with. Keep an eye on their official announcements for updates on broader availability and specific product offerings. The design philosophy. Focus on functionality and efficiency. While DeepSeek AI's primary focus isn't on a visually driven design concept in the same way as Google Gemini, their underlying philosophy emphasizes a clean and efficient architecture. The design of their models prioritizes functionality and speed. This translates to systems that are optimized for performance and resource utilization. The user experience for developers interacting with their APIs is likely to be streamlined and focused on ease of integration and efficient workflows. Multimodal interaction capabilities, future potential. Currently, DeepSeek AI's strength lies predominantly in natural language processing and code generation. However, their ongoing research and development strongly suggest a future with robust multimodal interaction capabilities. Imagine an AI that can understand a user's request accompanied by an image or generate code based on a visual design. This potential for seamlessly integrating different data types positions DeepSeek AI at the forefront of next-generation AI. Application areas for developers and businesses. DeepSeek AI's technology holds immense potential across various sectors. Software development. Their strong code generation capabilities can significantly accelerate development cycles, assist with debugging, and even generate entire software components. Content creation. DeepSeek AI models can be used for generating various forms of text content, from articles and marketing copy to scripts and creative writing. Customer service. Their language understanding abilities can power sophisticated chatbots and virtual assistants, providing efficient and accurate customer support. Data analysis. DeepSeek AI can assist in analyzing large data sets, extracting insights, and generating reports in natural language. Research and development. The high performance of their models makes them valuable tools for researchers in various fields, enabling faster analysis and discovery. Education. DeepSeek AI could potentially power intelligent tutoring systems and personalized learning experiences. Current limitations. Despite its impressive progress, DeepSeek AI is still a developing entity. Some potential limitations include relatively shorter track record. Compared to established AI companies, DeepSeek AI has a shorter history, meaning less extensive real-world testing and deployment data. Focus primarily on technical users. Currently, their offerings are geared more towards developers and businesses, with less direct consumer-facing applications. Evolving multimodal capabilities. While the potential is there, their multimodal capabilities are likely still in the development and refinement stages. Data availability and bias. Like all AI models, DeepSeek AI's performance is dependent on the data it is trained on. Ensuring data diversity and mitigating potential biases are ongoing challenges. The future of DeepSeek AI. The future looks promising for DeepSeek AI. Their commitment to performance and efficiency positions them well in the competitive AI landscape. We can expect to see further advancements in their language models, the development of more sophisticated multimodal capabilities, and potentially a broader range of applications and accessibility. Their open approach to collaboration suggests continued innovation and integration within the wider AI ecosystem. Alternatives in comparison. The AI landscape is rich with various players, each with its strengths. OpenAI, with models like GPT-4, Google, with Gemini, and Anthropic, with Claude, are major contenders in the large language model space. While some focus heavily on broad capabilities and consumer-facing integrations, DeepSeek AI's current strength lies in its performance and efficiency, particularly in areas like code generation. As they expand their multimodal capabilities, they will likely become a more direct competitor across a wider range of applications. Conclusion: why DeepSeek AI matters. DeepSeek AI represents a significant and exciting development in the field of artificial intelligence. Their rapid progress, focus on efficiency and impressive performance, particularly in language understanding and code generation, make them a rising star to watch. While their journey is still unfolding, DeepSeek AI's commitment to innovation and collaboration suggests a future where their technology will play an increasingly important role in shaping the capabilities and accessibility of AI across various industries. Keep an eye on DeepSeek AI. They are poised to make a significant impact on the world of intelligent systems.